Hey, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath YouTube channel. This is a Redmi Note 11. You can see here it got 13.0.8 stable update. It got yesterday, but I waited one more day, and today morning also I received the update and hence updated, and it's still with Android 11. You can see here. And regarding Redmi Note 11 updates, you can subscribe to my channel. Whenever the update receives to my smartphone, I will be making the video regarding update, and within a day the review of it. Now I am reviewing this MIUI 13.0.8. There is a little bit of downgrade has been done to this smartphone after this update. Watch till the end of the video, and if you want to see all the videos and how to download manually, I will give the link in the description. I already made a video and I will be giving the download links of this particular update also. Check out the description, and if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below guys. Regarding this Redmi Note 11, if you own the Redmi Note 11 device, subscribe to my channel. All the updates videos are going to cover in my channel, and some of the features also, and full depth in-depth review is also coming soon on Redmi Note 11. I already made an unboxing video also, you can check out. I will give you a cards here, and without wasting any time, let's begin this video. I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes. You can see here excellent performance. There is no throttling, but the scores performance you can see here, maximum is 49, average is also 49, and minimum is 46, and there is no CPU thermal throttle detected. This means they have throttled completely, not just this. If you see this one, you don't get any idea. Let me show you the benchmark results. Geekbench scores, it's very low for a Snapdragon 680 chipset. As you can see, single score is just 168 and multi score is 930, and the kernel is Linux 4.19.157 PUF kernel has been used in this update, and Antutu benchmark results are also not that great. I will show you. As you can see, 1,65,000. If you watch my unboxing video, it was over 2 lakhs, and during this testing 2.2 degrees Celsius temperature has been raised, and 2% of battery drop has been noticed during this testing. What it means by seeing this update is they eventually dropped the overall performance, but there is no lag as of now. As you can see, the 90 Hz refresh rate in the display is helping a lot here, and there is a bug. This one, it was transparent before, now it's completely gray color. That's how it is. Why did they do that? I don't know. And this update is rolling out for every users. I don't think so everyone need to update it. Wait for another update, maybe it will come with Android 12 or anything like this update. Only one positive thing about this update is the security patch. You can see here 2022-21, I mean February security patch has been included in this update. Other than that, everything is downgraded. Is it good that whether downgraded thing affecting anything? No, it's not affecting everywhere. If you play games, I don't think so anyone who want hardcore gaming, they buy this smartphone. Instead they go for other smartphone 11s like that. It's a medium chipset for basic things, and all those things are really fine. Switching between the apps and multitasking, as you can see, those things I never faced any problems even with this update also. But why the scores are downgraded and this bug, as you can see, it was transparent before, but why it's now like this, I really don't know. And into the settings, let me show you. As you can see, there is nothing new added here. Special features, there is no tap plus and like that features are not added, as you can see. And app opening times really need to improve a lot, even with first build of update, and now that means 13.0.4 and this one 13.0.8 have the same problem. App opening times are a little bit delayed here, I don't know why. And game turbo, you get similar thing, nothing new here. You need to get here options. And regarding system app uninstall, let me show you. Recording option, you can uninstall those things. System apps, that's fine. Music, let's see this one, you can't, but you can remove it. That's how it is. Most of the system apps can be uninstalled, that's fine. I really like it. And that's all guys in this video. In the camera also, the front camera need to be lot more improvement. It's over sharpening the things, especially the front camera. Back camera it's okay in daylight shots, more than average it is. Back camera, front camera is poor enough. I don't recommend this for anyone for front camera. The review is coming very soon. I thought they will improve in updates, but that's not going to be improved. I don't know why it is. The Snapdragon 680, it's a very good chipset, but the scores and why they eventually doing like this, that downgrading the performance. Maybe with MIUI 13 and Android 12 build is coming for this smartphone, I don't know. And also comment down below guys if you have any problem regarding this chipset, this smartphone after the update. Do mention down in the comment section below, share your experience. And that's all guys, nothing new here. I thought I will make lengthy video, but there is nothing new in this update. It's working fine, not a problem, but why they downgraded, I really don't know about that. And security features are also fine enough, not a problem. One more thing I liked is after the update I noticed the dual stereo speakers what are they given, that's working really good. Before also it was good, loud enough, but now it was a little bit louder, the top speaker. Before it was not that much loud, that's what I noticed. If you also feel the same, comment down in the comment section below after the update. And if you want to manually update, I have given the link there how to update manually. And let's say into the settings, if you want to receive updates early, then you can do this settings. Let me show you. Go to this 3 tick button and go to more, and go to settings and select here instant install automatically and receive updates early. Tick these 2 options, then you will receive the updates early for you. I don't recommend to update early, only few of them can update it, but most of them wait for videos like me and any other videos on YouTube. Check whether it has any bugs or anything, camera app break, camera app crashing, any problems regarding update. Check out for videos, then only you go and update your smartphone. That's all guys in this video. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, give it a like, and thank you for watching guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.